Mwasnyamaga apaya kama ji ariyo owito ngimagi ka ji 10 nyoyudo hinyruok e masira mar apaya manyotimore apaya ma Salgaa apaya maya Kisumu kadhi Nakuru tieno manyoro bang' nyamburko moro mating'o jowuoth 11 nodonjo kuom lori moro manochungi e bath apaya mabiro bang' masira manoyudo bas mar skund owee ma Kapsabet katend skundno koro yango ni jopuonjre 8 manyo itimonegi thieth oseyudo fuong'ruok kendo koro omigi thuolo mar dhi pacho. Jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua okwayo derepe mating'o jopuonjre mondo mi obed motang' e apeyni ma Thurka. E masira manotimore otieno manyoro, nyamburko mating'o jowuoth maromo 11 noyudo masira e alwora ma Salgaa e apaya maya Kisumu kadhi Nakuru. Masira notimore bang' nyamburko nodonjo kuom lori manoriko chungi e bath apaya kendo nego ji 2 ka ji moko noyudo hinyruok kendo dhi mbele gi thieth e osiptal ma Nakuru level 5.
Watu wenye walikuwa wamekaa hapo mbele waliweza kuumia sana, ambaye tulipata kwamba watu 2 waliweza kufariki. Mmoja aliweza kufariki hapo na mwingine aliweza kubariki akienda hospitali. Gari tuliweza kusaidiwa na gari ya polisi ambaye ni ya Salgaa kuwapeleka hospitali PCH.
We have 5 patients in inpatient, that is patients who are admitted, and we have 6 patients in the outpatient unit. The driver of the said vehicle is a Kenyan. However, the passengers are of Eritrean and Ethiopian nationality. So we've had a bit of a language barrier since they came in at 10 p.m. But we've managed to manage all of them, and they are currently out of danger.
Mabiro bang' masira machielo kama bas mar skul sekondar mar owee ma Kapsabet boys no bayo alwora ma Pat Kawanin kendo ng'ielore masira manoweyo japuonjre achiel gi japuonj achiel ka owito ngimagi. Bas noriko tero jopuonjre wuoth mar puonjruok e nam ma Bogoria man Baringo South e county ma Baringo. Japuonj maduong' ma Kapsabet boys yango ni jopuonjre 8 manoriko yudo thieth oseyudo nafu kendo wuok e osiptal.
All of them are in a fine state of mind and spirit. They are jovial, they have started taking their teas, and they are out of danger. Those who are referred to the MTRH yesterday are also reportedly to be fine. We have 2 information desks from the Red Cross. We also have another one in school. We also had around 20 teachers who are here. So the information is flowing very well. We have quite a number of parents who are also with us here. So they've got the information immediately the accident happened, and we are managing very well.
As much as we want to do the signage, we can also introduce the electronic guidance on our vehicles so that they can guide you as a new driver. When you go new places, there's a way you can be alerted that there's a corner, those kind of things. There's a car that is coming before you, and those kind of things. And I want to say the driver did his best. If you see where the incidents happened, you would really realize that in whatever situation, he tried his best.
Jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua notimo limbe skund sekondar ma Kapsabet boys kaluwore gi masira makamano kamojiwo derepe mariembo nyamburko mating'o jopuonjre mondo mi obed motang' e kinde duto magintiere e apeyni.
We take this opportunity to appeal to our drivers and other road users to exercise care and vigilance on our roads, and more souls who drive our buses for schools. These are precious jewels for our country. We are praying for you, for God to give you strength, to give you fortitude, to come to terms with the sad reality of losing a teacher who has been dear to you, of losing a student who is one of you. And I'm sure there is no doubt that the president will give you another bus to replace that one, so that you are able to continue with your tours across the country